Hey, welcome to this video on my channel Off to Office. I don't think we could find these days someone not using WhatsApp. And also very often we are connected to some or other WhatsApp group. At times we need to save all these contacts in our phone. Fortunately, we don't need to save the contacts one by one. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can save contacts of a WhatsApp group in one go. So let's begin. So we will first of all open WhatsApp Web. So now we are logged into Web WhatsApp. We will first of all go to the WhatsApp group, contacts of which we want to copy into our phone. Here is a WhatsApp group that I want to copy. Now when you hover your mouse over the group, you can see all the contacts being flashed visually. So what you need to do is just right click on this and you can see here an option inspect. You can also use Ctrl Shift I to go to this inspect option. I'm clicking inspect. When you click this option, a screen like this will pop up. You're not supposed to be intimidated by this screen. You just need this portion which is blue in color. You just need to right click it and copy this element. Copy element. That's it. I will close this window and log out of the WhatsApp Web. Now those copied elements are in my clipboard and I will go to an Excel file and I will just right click here and paste it. All these numbers are pasted here, but the problem is all these numbers are entered in one single cell, that is A1. You can see here all these numbers are entered in single cell and that too separated by a comma. So here comes the role of MS Excel. So my next aim is to put all these numbers into different columns. For that we will use text to column, very familiar and very useful tool of MS Excel. So for the sake of privacy, I'm deleting it and I'm going to use dummy data. So when we copy the element from WhatsApp Web, we get to find something. If you observe properly, these all numbers are situated in cell A2, that is in a single cell. So this will not serve our purpose. So the next thing that we need to do is we will separate all these numbers into separate columns. How can you do that? We can do that with text column. We will go to data menu. Delimited. Next. So if you observe the data properly, every number is separated by comma. So I will set my delimiter as comma and you can see the data preview. All numbers are showing been separated. Next, this is the destination where I want to have these all separated numbers. For instance, I want it here, say I want it here. So all these numbers are now in different columns. Now I can delete that. So the next thing that I need to get rid of is this plus 91 sign. Select this data, press Ctrl H, which is the shortcut for find and replace dialog box. So what I need to find, I need to find plus 91 and a space as well. And I will replace it with nothing. Replace all. So we have here made all the replacement. What we need now is having this data not horizontally but vertically. So I will copy it. I will right click here, paste spatial, and you can see here a transpose option. That is, if it is a vertical data, then it will be transposed to horizontal and vice versa. My data is now, my numbers are in arranged vertically. I can delete that. These are my mobile numbers and I can save it with any name I want. Say this is sample 1. So these are the name of the contacts. So the next thing that we would do, we will go to Google Contacts. Here it is. So here I am going to log in with the same Gmail ID where I have saved my numbers in my phone. Now what I will do here is I will press this create button, create a contact, and randomly I will type some name, say ABC XYZ, and randomly type some mobile number like 9876543210 and save it. The purpose behind this was I needed this appropriate CVC format, which I can get it from here, like export. When you export, this contact will be exported to some appropriate Google CSV format. I'm exporting it. So this dummy creation of a number was to get the appropriate CSV file format. Now I can, if you want, you can delete it right now. I have got the CSV Excel format, and this is where I have to perform all the operations like name ABC, and the number is here. Here is the number. So what I need to do, I can delete this. The numbers that I have converted to the Excel format, I will copy paste this number here. These are my names. Control V, and these are my numbers. For number, I will go to the number column, exact number column. This is phone 1. That's it. Now save this file. So my WhatsApp number are saved in this CSV file named as contact1. Now I just need to import this CSV file to my Google Contact. How can you do that? We will go to this one. I have to import, right? So I'm choosing import, select file. And I will just press import button. In just a moment, all your WhatsApp group contacts will be saved in your Google Contact. Now when you log into your phone with this Gmail ID, if you are not already logged in, and press sync, these all sample 1, sample 2, these all contacts will appear after some time. So that was all in this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.